Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Vercel and Cursor. In order to do so, here we are at vercel.com and we're also at cursor.com. Let's take a look at the homepage here to see what the noticeable differences are. According to the Cursor website, it is the AI code editor built to make you extraordinarily productive. Cursor is the best way to code with AI, and you can download the app for Windows. You can also see the different downloads that they have access to for your platform of preference. Vercel, on the other hand, your complete platform for the web. Vercel provides the developer tools and cloud interface to build, scale, and secure a faster, more personalized web. And you can click here to get a demo. Let's go ahead and take a look with Cider AI in order to find out what is the noticeable difference between the two of them. Cider is a fantastic tool that integrates directly into your Chrome browser, and all you have to do is just click on this little icon at the bottom right-hand corner, and you can instantly get the answers that you're looking for from some of the top models, including Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Let's go ahead and see what Cider has to say. According to Cider, Vercel and Cursor serve different purposes in the realm of development, so let's break them down. Vercel is a platform designed for front-end developers, primarily for building, deploying, and scaling modern web applications. It's especially popular for projects using frameworks like Next.js, React, and Vue.js. Key features include deployment. It simplifies the deployment process, allowing developers to push code and get live previews easily. Supports serverless backend functions, enabling dynamic features without managing a dedicated server. It offers built-in features for performance tracking and optimization, such as caching and CDN. Cursor, on the other hand, is a relatively new tool aimed at enhancing the developer experience, especially around coding and collaboration. It focuses on improving the productivity of developers through features that help in coding tasks. It includes key features such as intelligent code assistance. It provides suggestions, snippets, and autocomplete features that adapt to your coding style. Collaboration tools. It enables pairs and teams to collaborate in real time on coding tasks, and offers an enhanced coding environment that aims to streamline the coding environment to reduce friction and improve developer efficiency. Use Vercel if you're looking primarily for a deployment platform for web applications that simplifies the process and optimizes performance. Use Cursor if you're looking for an enhanced coding experience with intelligent assistance and collaboration features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs, deployment and hosting versus coding assistance and collaboration. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, take a look at the description for the video. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find information related to our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and also some amazing recommendations and promotions for our top selections: Sintra, Cider, Enzo, and more. Take a look at those. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.